User-defined functions, part 5. Okay, so let's talk about our lab that is due for user-defined functions, just so we'll get some practice to it. If you go back to the master PowerPoint presentation, in the master PowerPoint presentations, that's where you're able to click inside of this green box. Once you click inside that green box, then you can copy all and paste it into Visual Studio. You can't do that from the recordings, but you can do that from the master. Okay, so just copy as is. Look at the code before you run it. See if you can act like the compiler. What does the code do? After you act like the compiler, you get familiar with the code, then what I want is for you to write a user-defined function. A user-defined function that can be called twice. The first call will print matrix A, and the second call will print matrix B. So a declaration might look something like this. If we said void, and then we said print matrix, that's our return type. We're not going to return anything. This is what we're going to call our user-defined function by name. And then what we're going to send in is int matrix. Our usual is that 10 by 10 max size. Then we'll have int row, and then we'll have int column. So in int main void, I might call print matrix. So this is going to be our call. I'm going to print A, so I'm going to send in A, the rows for A, the columns for A, and then I can print matrix A. I can repeat calling the user-defined function with another print matrix, but then this time I'm going to send in matrix B for printing. Matrix B, we need to know its rows and its columns. And this is really the main purpose of user-defined functions. We have one definition that we can call and send different things in. We can send in an A matrix for printing. It works and gets completed. We can send in a B matrix that gets printed. So we have a generic send to the printer statement, so we're not repeating a lot of code, a goal for a user-defined function. Okay, if you have any questions on the lab, remember there's a discussion module. So discussion modules are good for asking questions. That way, if someone else has the same question, we can kind of gather together to get a good answer. Thank you.